Hello everyone. ILL keep updating battery replacement guides for different laptop models. You can follow me. The HP battery model for this period is BL04XL. The position of the screws for fixing the back cover is shown in the illustration. Take out the screwdriver and loosen the screws of the laptop back cover. Put the screws you took off back in the right places. Then, using the pry tool, insert it into the four corners at the top of the notebook's cover. Cut along the edge to open the cover of the notebook. Then we can use the other hand to assist in lifting the already opened part. Continue the operation along the newly cut area. It is suggested that the clips around the rear cover be all removed, which will make it easier to remove the notebook's rear cover. Then you can open the back cover of the notebook. After opening it, disconnect the power interface first. Take out the small pry bar and gently pull out the power interface cable. The position of the screws used to fix the notebook battery is shown in the illustration. Take out the screwdriver and remove the screws that fix the notebook battery. Then carefully remove the old battery. Please note that the hole in the middle part of the battery has a latch. Take out the new battery again. Note that there are clips at the bottom of the battery. First, align the notebook battery's connector for insertion. Make sure the laptop battery connector is plugged in tightly. Put the laptop battery back in place. Then screw in the screws that fix the notebook battery. Make sure you don't mix up the screws or this clip. Then put the back cover of the laptop back on. Make sure the clips on the bottom of the laptop cover are aligned. After inserting the clip above, press the laptop's back cover down with some force. Ensure that all the clasps on the laptop back cover can be fastened. Then take out the screwdriver and tighten the screws of the rear cover. Make sure that all the screws are tightened firmly. Next, let's see if the device can be powered on normally. Turn on the laptop computer. The laptop can be turned on normally. If anyone has any questions after watching, you may indicate them in the comments section. I will reply to each one individually. See you next time. Goodbye.